Hello and welcome to another Rocket Writer tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your first article using SEO Rocket Writer. It's super straightforward and you no longer need to be a tech wizard to create content that gets you ranking on Google. So let's get started. Once you've logged in and you're on the dashboard, simply look for the Create New Article button in the bottom left corner. Just give that a click to begin. This button is available wherever you are in the app, so you can start a new article anytime you like. The next step is choosing a keyword for your article. Rocket Writer will automatically suggest relevant keyword ideas. Just pick one that you want your website to rank for on Google. If you already have a specific keyword in mind, you can simply type it in instead. Good keywords are typically phrases your customers might enter when searching online, so think about the words people actually use when looking for your product or service. Next up, you can give Rocket Writer some directions for the article. This is perfect if you already know what you want to say. Just type in the key points or sections you'd like covered. If you're not sure where to start, no worries. Just flip on Let Rocket Writer decide, and the Rocket Writer will intelligently create an outline for you. This is a great option for those of us who'd like a little extra guidance. Let's do a final check to make sure everything looks good. Once you hit Create Article, Rocket Writer gets to work. Our proprietary AI combines your keyword choice, your outline if you provided one, and its own AI smarts to craft your article. In just a few seconds, you'll have a fully SEO-optimized blog post waiting for you in the My Articles tab, ready to review. Here, you'll see your article already formatted with best practice SEO in mind. Check out the headings, paragraphs, and key points. If something doesn't sound quite right, you can always tweak it in the WordPress editor or your tool of choice. Remember, this is your article, so make any changes you like to reflect your brand's personality. If you already have the Rocket Writer WordPress plugin installed and saved your Rocket link in the advanced business settings, you can publish your article directly to your WordPress site with a single click, or connect a Zapier webhook for seamless sharing to hundreds of platforms. You will need a Zapier or Make account to use the webhook feature. If you're using the popular SEO plugin, Yoast SEO, Rocket Writer has you covered. Your article's SEO data is automatically imported, making optimizing your content a breeze. In most cases, no additional optimization is necessary, as Rocket Writer will take care of it for you. If you see a green smiley face, you're good to hit publish and share your article with the world. And that's it. You've now created a fully optimized article in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.